In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video to a blog page in Confluence. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can confidently add rich, engaging content to your internal blog posts. First, make sure you're logged into your Confluence workspace and that you have permission to edit the blog space where you want to add your video. Once you're in, navigate to the appropriate space and open the blog section. From there, either create a new blog post or open an existing one that you want to edit. This ensures you're working in the right context before you insert any media. With your blog page open in edit mode, place your cursor in the exact spot where you want the video to appear. It might be under an introduction paragraph, between sections, or near the end of your post. Positioning the cursor correctly at this stage will help keep your layout neat and save you from having to move things around later. Now, start typing the / character, followed by the word image with no spaces. So you'll type your image directly into the editor. In Confluence, the / is a quick command that brings up a list of available macros and content options. As you type, you should see a list appear, showing different content blocks you can insert. From that list, select the image option that appears in response to Salvage Image. This opens up the image insertion tools, which can also handle certain media types, including video files or thumbnails that link to video content. If your Confluence setup supports direct video uploads, you'll see options to upload a file from your computer, select from previously uploaded files, or possibly link from another source. Choose the option that matches where your video is stored. If the video is on your computer, upload it from there and wait for the upload to complete. If you're using a hosted video thumbnail or image that links to a video, select or upload that image and then add the appropriate link within the image settings. Take a moment to add alt text or a caption if your team relies on accessibility best practices. Once the video or image link is in place,